Guys, this is pretty insane. Robinhood is offering a 3.75% interest rate just by holding cash in their account. So I know Robinhood has gotten a lot of hate in the past year, mostly because of the short selling that occurred with the AMC stock, GameStop stock, and how Robinhood actually halted the the buying of these securities, and they only allowed you to sell. So Robinhood gave people a lot of bad taste in their mouth. If we take a look at Robinhood stock, it is down quite a bit past 5 years. Past year actually, it's down 71%. Guys, this is crazy. It went from highs of around, I think it was like $80 or something per share, and now it's down to $10 per share. So Robinhood stock is definitely getting killed. But as we can see in this past year, I know this initial drop in 2021 was pretty harsh, but this past year it's really been flat. And so this is actually a pretty nice opportunity to sell some cash secured puts on the stock. So let's take a look at the options chain. We can go into sell, we can go into put, maybe a November 25th expiration. Today is currently November 15 as we're making this video. So we could easily sell like an 8.5 strike cash secured put. We're going to receive $10 of premium for each contract that we sell. And people's small accounts can easily do this. You're going to be collecting $10 per contract every single 10 days that you do this approximately. So if you have a bigger account, say $8,000, you can sell 10 of these contracts, collect $100 every single week, and that's going to be some pretty nice income. $100 on $8,000 of collateral. That's a little bit over 1% return every single week. You do that for 52 weeks, you're going to be making a 50% return theoretically. But so overall, I do think this is a great opportunity to sell some cash gear puts on this stock, even though Robinhood is down so much. As we saw on the chart, it's been flat the past months here. We did have this huge drop here, but overall, it really stays around this $10 price point, and that's a perfect opportunity to sell some cash gear puts on. You want stocks that are pretty flat, don't move as much, so you can collect that premium every single week. And that's what we do on this channel. We're collecting income. We're doing income strategies through dividend stocks and through option selling, such as cash geared puts and covered calls. So we're really trying to make that nice income and be as safe as possible for you guys. So this is perfect for people with small accounts looking to grow their portfolio, as well as people with larger accounts. As long as you have consistent wins, the money is going to compound week over week, month over month, whatever time frame it is. And compound interest is really how you're going to be going to grow your portfolio over the long term. So that's really what we're aiming for. But as we can see here, we're making 3.7% interest rate on our money just by holding cash in our account, which is pretty crazy in my opinion. I know Capital One is offering a 3% savings interest rate. So interest rates are really high right now. If you are keeping your money in Wells Fargo earning 0.01% interest rate, you're missing out on a lot of cash because as we can see here, it's about 23 times more than the national average savings account. So that's pretty nice. As we can see, I've already racked up about almost $11 for this month. So we're going to estimate around $20 of interest this month alone, just on a few $1,000s of cash by doing nothing. It's pretty safe. You're making money doing absolutely nothing, no risk at all, in my opinion. But if you don't feel comfortable putting your money in Robinhood, or if you don't have Robinhood Gold, because you do need Robinhood Gold to take advantage of this 3.7% interest rate, then you can always just throw it into Capital One, which is just a savings account, and that's going to give you 3% interest rate. Pretty nice way to invest your money, in my opinion, with absolutely no risk at all because it is FDIC insured. So subscribe for more. We're going to be going over some dividend stocks, some option strategies in this upcoming week.